In front of me is a Vodafone Smart 4 Max, and today I'll show you how to do a hard reset of the device to remove screen lock. So as you can see, there is a screen lock, and if you don't have access to it, we can simply begin by powering off the phone. So hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device will shut off, we'll hold volume up and power key. So volume up right here and power key right here. You can let go of the keys once you see the logo. And now we have just a couple options, but we want to select wipe data factory reset using volume keys. So volume down will go down and up will go up. So like so, and use power key to confirm it. And then once more select yes to confirm the process and power key to confirm it. And as you can see, it will begin. And then at the end you will see data wipe complete. So now we can restart system now. It will be automatically selected, so you can simply press power key and the device will reboot now. So give it a moment. Once it's finished, we'll be back into the normal Android, and I'll be back at that point. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and we're greeted with the Android setup screen. Now, by what I can see, it by default set to Greek, so let's change the language to English right here, and we can proceed to the setup. Now I'm just gonna skip through it for the most part, just to do it as quick as possible. And as you can see, you can now access the phone. There is no more lock, and the phone is fully functional. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.